Hi all, this is Sheetal Sangvi. Welcome you all to Sangvi Childcare Center. Wish you all a very happy and peaceful 2021. Well, this new video is releasing after a long gap because I've been really very tied up. And this is specially on demand of many people who asked me what did I do to transform myself. For all those of you who are not aware, let me tell you that now I am a certified diet and nutrition specialist. And secondly, right from August till Jan, I have lost about 9 kgs of my weight. So what did I do? I did 3 major things. One is a change in my lifestyle. Second is modification in my diet. And third is including fitness into my day-to-day life. Whenever we start a new journey, there is definitely some reason behind it. For me also there were reasons. First and foremost, during the initial days of lockdown, my routine also went haywire like you all. Then I was used to some kind of household helper which was not there around me. Because of which I started searching for some shortcuts in terms of preparing breakfast and snacks, especially these two. Moreover, I started getting cases of family, teenagers and children whose mental health was getting impact due to the sudden change in lifestyle and their routine and eating habits. So I went deep into it, because I thought it was impacting me, my family and other families also. So I thought, why not get some proper knowledge? Very honest to you, I also tried consulting dietitians. Now when I consulted dietitian, they gave me some kind of thing that, we'll give you a 30-day diet, we'll give you a combination of workout and diet, but I didn't want that. Because I feel I have always been someone who ate healthy food. And I didn't go overboard with my weight. It was just matter of 2 to 3 kgs. Also, I felt that inches increased and my stamina went low. So I just wanted some kind of modification in my diet. I also realized that most of them also wanted similar thing, due to which I entered into this new journey. So after entering this new journey, I got tremendous benefit. Number 1 benefit is I evolved as a person and I evolved as a professional. Now I can confidently say that yes, I am a health and wellness coach. Second is I got a deeper understanding about fitness that can be done at home also. Because until then I felt that if you want to do any kind of physical activity, you need some outdoor space. You need an instructor, you need a group, you need friends. But my biggest myth got broken and I understood that no, workout can be done alone at home as well if you do it in a proper and a systematic way and regularly. Third, my bonding time with my daughter increased like anything because we both became fitness partners. Yes, we do workouts together. And because of me, I would say she got inspired and she learned couple of home workouts. Fourth, feel good attitude. Who doesn't like compliments? Even I like. So when people ask me, my friends ask me, acquaintance ask me that what did you do? Your skin is glowing, your hair has become better and we love your figure. So I feel good about it because I am a role model for them now. Fifth benefit. Now I am able to handle my clients in a much better way than I was probably earlier. Like I said, I have evolved. So if a teenager comes to me and when I come to know that yes, mental health is an issue, I know that I can work with mental health. I know that I can work with lifestyle change as well. Now third thing is I can confidently work on their eating habits also. So like I said, I have evolved as a professional also. Sixth benefit is that I have increased my stamina and my strength and I've gone to another level now. So now when I work from morning till night doing various activities, I don't get tired very easily the way I used to get earlier, which makes me feel really good about it. Seventh benefit is I will never leave fitness ever in my life because I've understood the importance of it through how important it is throughout your life. So one more point I want to add over here is that we have often seen that, me and my husband both, that when proper exercise is not part of your routine, you can get ailments at earlier age. I'm not saying you will not get if you do exercise, but yes, definitely one can postpone. So yes, physical fitness is really very important. Now, you might be curious to know what did I do exactly. For this, you will have to wait for my next video. Until then, please like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done till now. And if you wish to get one-on-one consultancy from me, you know where to contact. The details will be flashed towards the end. So until then, stay healthy, think healthy, eat healthy, and please start doing some kind of exercise if you haven't started till now. What to do, how to do, we shall discuss in next video. Thank you so much for watching this video and pouring in lots of love always. Take care. Bye-bye.